You sleep 7 to 8 hours, but your muscles still feel tired in the morning. Why? Because there's one thing many seniors eat at night that silently blocks recovery. Every night while you sleep, your body enters repair mode. It's like a silent construction crew, rebuilding, restoring, and making you stronger. But here's the part most people don't know. This process only works if the conditions are right. And one small mistake, something you eat before bed, can completely shut that recovery down. You might think, it's just a little snack. What harm could it do? But that innocent choice might be the reason you wake up sore, stiff, and tired, no matter how long you sleep. In this video, I'll show you what food blocks recovery, what to eat instead, and how to wake up feeling stronger, not weaker. Your body has a secret healing window, and it doesn't happen during the day, not while you're moving, thinking, eating, or reacting to the world. No, it opens only after dark when everything slows down. When your eyes are closed, your breath deepens, and you enter deep, restorative sleep. This is when the real work begins. Because while you rest, your body ramps up a powerful repair process, led by something called growth hormone. This hormone tells your cells, now is the time. Let's rebuild the muscles. Let's fix the damage. Let's make this body stronger than it was yesterday. Tiny tears from walking, lifting, or just daily movement, stitched back together. Worn out tissue that's frayed from age or overuse, broken down and rebuilt. It's like having a team of skilled workers come in overnight, clearing out debris, laying new bricks, reinforcing your structure. But here's the catch, and it's important. This only works if your system is calm, still, undistracted, because your body has limited energy. And if it's still dealing with a big job, like digesting heavy food or managing a blood sugar spike, then that repair crew gets called off. Imagine hiring a night crew to fix your home, but when they arrive, the kitchen lights are on. The vacuum's running. There's noise, movement, chaos. They can't get started. They're stuck waiting. And the same thing happens inside your body. If your stomach is churning, your blood sugar is bouncing, or your brain is too active. The repair signal is delayed, or worse, canceled altogether. So even if you sleep 8 hours, you might not be healing. And that's why so many seniors wake up sore, stiff, or just plain tired. Not because they didn't sleep, but because their muscles never got the green light to recover. And that's exactly what we'll fix in this video. Here's where most people go wrong. Not with the full meal, but with something they think is just a little snack. It's the bowl of cereal after dinner, that one cookie before bed, some toast with jam while watching TV, or even a healthy granola bar you keep by the nightstand. It feels innocent. You're not binge eating, you're just taking the edge off a little hunger. It helps you relax, right? But your body sees it differently, because many of these common snacks are packed with refined carbohydrates, fast digesting sugars and starches that rush into your bloodstream. And what happens next is subtle, but dangerous. Your blood sugar spikes, insulin surges, and your body shifts gears. Instead of powering down for deep rest, your internal systems get a new message. Something's happening. Stay alert, keep digesting, stay active. Your stomach starts churning, your brain stays slightly engaged, and your nervous system? It stays too alert to sink into that healing deep sleep. Think of it like this. You've got a team of builders ready to restore your muscles during the night, but right as they're about to begin, a loud delivery truck pulls up. Boxes of sugar, orders of quick carbs. Suddenly the crew has to stop, unload, reorganize, process. No repair gets done, no progress is made, and you sleep through it. But you wake up feeling foggy, stiff, or even more sore than the night before, because the recovery team never got a chance to do their job. They were too busy cleaning up your bedtime snack. So yes, one small decision at night can sabotage your entire night's healing process. But the good news is, once you know this, you can change it. And the difference in how you feel the next morning can be dramatic. So what if you are a little hungry before bed? That's perfectly okay. In fact, for many seniors, going to bed slightly hungry can actually disturb your sleep.
But, and here's the key, it depends entirely on what you eat.
The right bedtime snack can act like a soft landing for your nervous system. It keeps your blood sugar stable, supports your muscle recovery, and helps your brain switch into sleep mode. What you want to avoid are fast burning carbs. Instead, aim for foods that digest slowly, foods that fuel your body gently throughout the night. Think of them as a slow burning log on a campfire. They keep the fire warm, controlled, and steady, without flare ups or crashes. Here's one of my favorite recovery friendly snacks: a small bowl of Greek yogurt with a spoonful of almond butter mixed in. It's creamy, delicious, and delivers exactly what your muscles need. High quality protein, casein, to support overnight muscle synthesis. Healthy fats to slow digestion and promote satiety. Magnesium and tryptophan to support sleep hormones. Not a yogurt fan? Try this: a few slices of turkey breast paired with a handful of unsalted almonds or walnuts. This combo is rich in tryptophan, the amino acid that converts into serotonin and melatonin, omega-3s, and vitamin E to fight inflammation, protein and healthy fats to maintain blood sugar balance overnight. These snacks don't just fill your stomach, they send your body a calming signal: all is well, no crisis, time to repair. And the impact is real. When you feed your body the right way at night, you fall asleep easier, stay asleep longer, and your muscles actually get the signal to rebuild. So instead of waking up groggy, with sore joints or tight legs, you wake up feeling clearer, lighter, and more mobile. It's a small shift. But for many people, this one change transforms the way their body feels in the morning. There's one more thing you can add to your evening routine if you want to take your recovery to the next level. It's not a protein, it's not a special food. It's a mineral your body quietly depends on, especially after 60: magnesium. This one nutrient helps relax your muscles, calm your nervous system, and guide your body gently into deep, restorative sleep. But it doesn't stop there. Magnesium is also a key player in protein synthesis, the actual process your cells use to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. I recommend magnesium glycinate at night because it's gentle on the stomach and well absorbed. And if you don't like swallowing capsules, you can use topical magnesium spray. Just a few spritzes on your arms or legs after your evening routine, and it starts working through the skin, right where your muscles need it. It's a simple habit, but for many people, it's the missing link between light sleep and real recovery. You'll find my favorite options in the description below. Your body wants to heal. Every night it prepares to repair your muscles, restore balance, and rebuild strength, but it can't do that if it's still battling sugar spikes, insulin surges, and a late night snack that sends mixed signals. So tonight, just try something different. Skip the cookies, put the cereal box back on the shelf, and choose something that supports your body instead of stressing it. Your muscles don't need more work. They need the right conditions to recover. Because recovery doesn't start in the gym. It doesn't start in the morning. It starts with your last bite of the day. Make that bite count, and you'll feel the difference when you wake up.